Okay, so here's a layout that I did some mixed media to. I used my Tim Holtz oxides, I believe. I did another one, but it didn't turn out quite as well. I mean, it did, and I used it for the next layout, but it covered I ended up doing the whole background, and I didn't like that. I wanted it to just show through where I put the photos and any embellishment clusters. So this one turned out better, and Patton knows when I'm recording, obviously, because my tripod's on my desk in front of me, so I should take a video because I love it. I took it's 9 cubes from Closet Made. You can purchase them at Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart. No, I can't find them at Walmart anymore. They have different kinds now. And I purchased them in white to match my Michaels cubes that I have in my room. And sorry, I just got up a little bit ago. 7:30 and I'm just getting up. I'm like, oh my gosh. And I woke up at 4:15 and I was like, oh, you know what? I'm still a little sleepy. I'm just gonna, because we were playing bowling on Wii last night. So we didn't go to bed until 11-ish, I think. Maybe closer to midnight. So I didn't get up at 4. But anyway, my cubes, they're like $30, I think. And then I took the white melamine tops, and I had to, because of the size, I had to glue 3 together using Gorilla epoxy glue, and that holds together really, really well. And then I set that over, and then I put one shelf on one end and one shelf over on the other, as wide as the melamine table is, to make a tabletop, and I set that on top. And I've had that for 8 years, a long time. And then I took the same melamine tabletops and I put over my cubes, so that way, and I leave gaps in 2 places to make a place for my computer. Anyway, I am not sure what I'm doing. Okay, so now for my layers. The pink striped layer that you see there is Dear Lizzy Stay Colorful, called Sweetness. And this is my first time using the April kit. Then this next layer, the word print, is Pink Fresh Studio, A Case of the Blahs, called Blossom. And then my photo mat, which is the blue polka dot, or aqua polka dot, is Jen Hadfield Patio Party, called Breezy. And then I used pieces of that floral paper, but I don't know the name. And this is my niece's wedding that I attended. She got married in July, and so I came home for that. I kind of timed, because I go home in July anyway, usually for 2 weeks. Okay, so the die cuts are going to be from Pink Fresh Studio BU. I have some rub-ons that are hazelwood. And there's Patton. Crazy cat. So I'm just getting my die cuts down. And then I'll get my title, which is Happy Day. And they are American Crafts Recollection Thickers. And these are the rub-ons from Hazelwood Canoe. That's what it says on the package anyway. Crazy dog. I brought her bed and she was sleeping on the floor. So I brought her pillow in here that we bought her, and no, I don't know where she went. Maybe she went to go eat. And there's Patton again. Crazy cat. I think I'm putting him in my lap, but he wants to be on camera. He wants to be a TV show kitty, so he wants to get discovered. He wants to do cat food commercials so he can taste test. Right, Patton? Just my educated guess, anyway. That's his deal for constantly getting in the camera. Which I need to film. I have 4 layouts ready to film. Because when I scrapbook, get it ready. I should try to film as I scrapbook, but that's not always possible. So I kind of figure out what it is I'm going to do, and then I film it later. Once I know, I'll take a picture of how I have it, and then which I should film as I'm actually doing my process. But anyway, so that pretty much completes the layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks, guys. Bye.